Lions! Good morning, good morning. Let me close all these windows. Previously on KIMBA TV. Like, I would be waiting for pullback. Like, that's your next long, I think. Like here. Yeah, so Sol TA hasn't really changed. I mean, I think every pullback, I think you're looking for a long if you have the chance to. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. It's too fucking easy, chat. All right, any questions? We got market open in about 30 minutes. You guys good? Started this shit early today, y'all. Let's get this money. Any questions? Nitrogen says, are you still in a long? What do you mean, Nitrogen? You mean short? I will go long in 28 minutes. Yeah, if we can get above settlement. Yeah, take a look at the charts, Nitrogen. You tell, were you not here for this yesterday? Go back to yesterday's. Yeah, and then if we can do something like this, then yes. All right, Nitrogen, just start from the very beginning of the stream and watch yesterday's as well. Yeah, I think the coolest, and really pay attention to Monday's stream because I was really breaking down the difference between the ETH bad high and the RTH bad high, so. Alrighty, but yes, I will take a long if we can get above settlement. I don't know what this is going to be yet. We have to wait for RTH and then that way. Nitrogen says, yes, bro. I mean, you're long from Easy Money, Bugatti Money. Yeah, I'm going to let all of those ride, brother. So Nitrogen, my trading hasn't changed literally for 9 months. Every single long that I've accumulated in the last 8 months, I'm letting it ride to 130K. I'm not shaving anything. Like, I'm shaving like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. Anytime I feel like we reach a level that could be resistance and I should TP, I'm hedge shorting. So head short. Yeah, and I'm not going to shave any of my longs. I'll get round tripped on all of the longs if something bad happens. All right, Nitrogen. So yeah, still 130. All right, Nitrogen. And anytime there's a pullback, I'm looking to see if there's a little bit of a nice little thang that I can get in on.
Me quise entrar, pero el WEEX me traicionó. Y ella dijo, no, no está. Es una maldita WEEX, una ratata. Ella lo que quiere es que le marque el ya, 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 ya. Cobrando jugo más de 70K. Tienen que tragarse todo este candlestick play. Si se cruzan en mi trailer, voy a liquidar por este loco la vela. Sudan más que el mal, llegaron los KIMBA Bull. Con los fake Verspal, que estos redentor se van sin stop loss. Cada vez que entro, demasiado swing, manín, rompí el centro. Velas aquí no son de televisión, pero las pusimos en ya, ya. Las velas aquí no son de televisión, pero las pusimos en ya, 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 ya. Juice, no te voy a mentir, tú pide un fib y yo te lo voy a construir. Si soy un juice, sin dividir, que tú quieres snap y yo la vela voy a exprimir. Dale mami, ponte en flip, calle donde entro, dime el invalidation que yo lo enfrento. Tu streamer es fake, se ve lento, yo tengo KIMBA anclada con el movimiento y no falta la entrada, bebé. No ves que yo le meto sin perder la fe. Si quieres TP, súbete y ve y pégate pa' la pared, que va a llover. Yo le quiero dañar. llega el swing, ustedes ya están en drawdown. KIMBA Gang encendió el booth. Chael, yao, yeah.
Yeah, were you here in the morning? So I would say it's pixel perfect, croissant. 75786 didn't get lost, and most people probably still haven't taken a long yet, croissant, because the whole concept is, remember when I was saying we don't know what the low is yet? It's hard to set it because RTH isn't open. So like the trade is still what we drew in the morning. Like this is what basic strategy would say. Okay, you wait for the settlement to get claimed. You don't want settlement to be the bearish retest. You don't want to get rejected at settlement, and that's possible, right? So like this is literally how we do the damn thing. Make sense, croissant? So that's why I was like, I don't know where this is. You feel me? But now RTH has done its thing. So that would be the low. If it can reclaim, then you're good. So if you're going to take this, if you already know you're going to take that, then getting in hyper aggressively, front running the settlement, turning into support is what you're doing, croissant. Croissant. All right, any questions, y'all? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Obviously, S&P, I'm ready for a little bit of a long. We could have a bounce at the point of control. This zone does look strong. I would like a bigger pullback. So we've had that level identified for quite some time. Bitcoin, golden pocket has to turn into support. If it's resistance, then I'll see you at 110. All right. Pixel perfect. We have the RTH and the ETH levels to the upside. We have levels to the downside. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Your stop loss is 17625. Can you do that for now? Because this pixel, yeah? So I would be doing this to this, and then this, and I haven't even pulled VWAP yet. I would hope that you have. How much do you lose having it behind the golden pocket versus just doing another one like that? This has already changed structure. So I think like you should really not lose this. So I think putting it like here is actually okay, because maybe you get a I don't know. We're kind of nickel and diming there. You know what I mean, Martin? I think all you have to look at, brother, is this bitch. Cachoy. Below that, you always have a chance to get shit on. Turn that into support. We have a chance to go and get that 121 sweep, maybe. Yeah, and I think if you really wanted to, you know, I don't think going back to value area low again is the best scenario. This should be like, okay, we did what we needed to do. We trapped, we stopped people out. Let's go. And then we can get like a failed auction above, like breaching above settlement. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Last song coming up. Ebis Novecon says Bellagio. Let's go. Bellagio, Danny Bellagio. Spicy says live pa pink, possibly. Yeah, if we get to that fucking box up there. Or we're at 114 or 111. Yeah. Basically, if you lose that 75786, it's fucked. All right. And we might be witnessing like a failed auction. And maybe it's like a 109, 108 bullish retest. And the Bitcoin, I think, isn't that worrisome or troublesome, but I think really what gets me salivating is the opportunity for Sol, Hype, Trump, even, you know. No. Pretty fucking excited. I'm ready for a little Tesla pullback. I'm ready for an ES pullback. Well, I'm ready for Hype and Soul. Did anybody miss Hype and Soul today? That was fun. ETH is coming down to our level of interest, that point of control. ETH BTC, same thing. Sol, same thing. Put this back on. But and this one I really don't want to fuck up. I really don't want to fuck this one up. I probably will. But yeah, really got to get locked in on this one. And QQ Pew says, thanks for the soul level earlier. My pleasure. And remember, QQ, it's a zone. In about 30 minutes. I love you. Spicy Taco, James Kirk. Yeah says, so the next level you'll look to long again is 109. No, the next level of interest is 114, the gap, and that single print at 113 something. Yes, but when you said the next level you'll look to long again, I'm never longing a level. So the most prioritized data that I would want to see for a long is trapped shorts and hidden CVD bull div. So yeah, I mean, if there's a hidden CVD bull div and there's shorts trapped, then even at 113.3 at that single print, I might take a short long. Yeah, but what I was talking about is I think that's more of like a bearish retest pop. And I think the real test would be around like 10, basically like 110, 109, something like that. Probably the zones that we were looking at. Yeah, so higher time frame, maybe like 108, 109, 110. But how many times, have I sat there and be like, I really would like to long this, and then it actually bounces from somewhere else? Let's go! Y'all better quit playing with it, man. Y'all better quit playing with it, man. Y'all better quit playing with it, man. Spicy. James Kirk, I tried to hedge long against my pump short, and they took L, lost long, but short still juice. Nice. Just keep mathing, my brother. A Thurna says, Big Bobby Blitz Hack says, yo, Kimba, can't price bounce off of 116,600 from the Coinbase wick? Probably not, but anything is possible. And something that would, Blitz Hacks, help is a tremendous amount of bottom shorters. A hidden CVD or a smaller time frame bull div, right? So that's that's a level that you can be watching, but probably not. But shit, I mean, I think 40 million in bottom shorts would do the trick. Yaya says, I feel like it's gonna fuck all of them up. Yeah, even if it bounced from 114, I think the better level would be like 110. And then that lines up with the Sol, the ETH, like everything that basically outperformed. Because DOT, if you look at DOT, it's not the same, right? So everything that outperformed, you have an opportunity. Ka-chai! Let's go! All right, y'all. Hey, longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bulls, bears, we're all lions. Can I get a ka-chai? Can I get a ka-chai? All right, I got to do a manual switch on over to Juiciest server, so give me 1 second. Can I get a ka-chai?